Hi, I am DS Patel and you are watching Shinerweb YouTube channel. Friends, today we are learning how to create a cron job by using CodeIgniter framework. So let's start this.
Friends, I show the output of this cron job. When my cron job is run, then I get this type of output. I already run this cron job. So first I show you this output. So how we can do this? So you need to create a one controller file. Inside the controller folder, cron job underscore cnt.php. Okay. In this file, we need to create a one function cron underscore job. Simply this controller call my mail function inside a model folder. So inside a model folder, I create a one more file cron underscore job underscore model. Okay. So in this file, I simply create a one function and this function sent a mail on one email address. So testing purpose, I create this file and sent mail. Now we need to go in dashboard and find out cron jobs. Okay, when you click on cron job, then you will get this page. On this page, you need to create a cron job. First, you need to select settings. This setting you need when you need to run this cron job. For testing purpose, I create a once per minute. Based on requirement, you can select your settings. Okay. Now, command. I will share this full command with you. Okay. First, you need to know what is this command. Now, this is your default location, and now how to find this location. Suppose this is your home directory. You will get this part from your dashboard. Okay, whenever you log in your dashboard, then you will get this home directory part. Now you can copy this part in your command. And then where is your project folder? Okay, my project folder under my public underscore html. So inside the public underscore html and my project name is this. So I simply create this project inside this folder, and then where is my controller and what is my controller name? Please find out your controller name. Okay, and inside the controller, what is your function name? So you need to copy this based on your requirement, which you have already created or which you will create function name. So copy paste this full command and paste into command. Okay, and then you need to click on add new cron job. Okay, if anything is error, then you will get this error. Now my command is successfully added. So we need to see output after 1 minute. Okay, right now 11:46 am. See my time 11:46 am. Okay, now we will wait for a 1 minute. Sometime it's take a 1.5 minute because of some email server sometimes slow. Then you will check. Okay, now don't forget to space after the index.php. When you write this command, then don't forget to space after the index.php. Okay, otherwise your controller will not be called. So please remember this. Okay, Now we need to refresh our emails. So I refresh my mail. Still my mail is not getting, but see, now mail are coming. My after 1 minute, 1.5 minute, this mail are coming. Oh, okay. So by using this cron job, you can create your auto schedule mail or whatever you want. Okay.
Friends, how was this video? If you want this code, then please write your email address inside the comment box, then I will share this code directly on your email address. I hope you will like this our video and also subscribe our channel Shinerweb. So take care, bye bye and thank you.